Today it's Monday. Earlier I made a video for the transmission. Okay, it's still March 27, 2023. Okay, let's strip off the cylinder head for the CJX to see how it looks like. The surface, like I said, it's gone. Need to be resurfaced, definitely. Need to check the guides, the seats, the valves, the cover. Looks a little bit tired, right? Yay! At least I don't see helicoil anywhere here. That's a good sign. Fine, fine. Alright. And together inside of the bag for the cover there was also the bracket. It goes here, if I remember right. Yeah, in any case. Or it goes on the cover. No, it goes here, I think. Yeah, in any case. There is one, two, yeah. Let's start. I'm gonna repair it, I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna take it inside the engine room to have a look on it. The solenoids, I can test them to see if it's working or not. Looks like a disaster. Yeah, you're gonna see later on. In a second for you, couple of hours for me. Tuesday, March 28, 2023. Yesterday I didn't have the chance to continue with the video. I cleaned the cylinder head and then I was busy with something else. So after the first wash, like I said on the first video, there is a dent here, there are scratches here, there is another dent here, another dent at this point here, here. They have some scratches the surface, but even if it was okay, if they didn't make any scratch, you see this, the lip all the way around. This is, here it's higher, here it's more compressed down. So with one way or the other, this cylinder head need to go for resurface. Fine. Now this guide here, at this point on this one, it's by 200mm greater, only down, only at the end. It's acceptable. There is no problem with the guides. That's my point. Valve seats are excellent. There is no problem at all. So we see this side. That's the exhaust side. All right. Here, looking good. Intake side. Looks nice. Let me make it upside up. Alright, now from up there was this thing here that I just filed it to make it down because there was a dent. It was up, it was higher. Then I saw another one thing here that I filed it only this way to don't have a high spot. And I see another one here or not? No, here, at this edge. I'm talking about what I'm doing. You just get one file, alright, and very gently, very careful. You're doing only on the high spot, slowly on the edge, not on the surface here, on the edge I'm talking about. The same thing also from this side. Just only cannot do it now because I have to change the position. I'm gonna take care about that. So this from up. This piece what you see, it's on the casting, the small dots. This was bubbles, I don't know what it was. Fine, fine. Ports, okay, here a little bit more care, but with the last wash you're gonna be fine. All right, then number. Let me show you also the cover. Hydraulic lifters are here. I'm not trusting them. Why? Because it was full of sand, the cylinder head, and it can pass. Some of the lifters, there was not in place. It was outside. It was hanging, and it's stuck. Yeah, I don't want to get a chance. I'm gonna use from the other cylinder head. valves are here. I haven't cleaned it yet, I haven't prepared it yet. Valve springs here, retainer and all the rest. That's the patch that was with the cylinder head. The solenoids, composition sensors, coolant temperature sensor, the studs for the intake manifold, this is the studs for the exhaust manifold, the dividers for the runners, flaps, called as you like, bolts, the bracket, the plastic cap. This is one use. Yeah, you see it's burned, you don't have to use it again, you put a new one. These are the one that it's for the cover, the plastic cover. So this is how it looks like. It looks okay, I don't see any problem. It went away, the rust, just only I have to take care about these things. Whatever comes positive here up, and at this point I need to eliminate, need to just slightly file it with this way, like what I showed you on the cylinder head, to be okay, to be everybody happy, to sit properly in place. Alright, that's the inner side. Has a little bit there, no worries. I might wash it again. And this is how it looks like from up. Then let's place it on the cylinder head with one hand. Dang it. Alright, and let's go to see now the number. I'm gonna double check it with the, yeah, it doesn't sit. Yeah, it didn't went all the way in. Later. No worries. Now, I'm gonna see that. 00103 00103 00103 It looks like the same. I'm not gonna count only on the number, I'm gonna put the camshafts to see that they're spinning fine. Alright? Just in case you don't have any headache. Yeah. Alright. Yep. That's it. Sending it for a resurface. Before I send for resurface, putting the camshafts, torque it down to specs to see that it's okay and does have any extra clearance or something, or it bites or it sees the cam. Then send for a resurface, coming back again. The other engine doesn't have original valves, has an aftermarket valves. I have to check the valves from the other engine, the valve springs, to get the measurements on the tool to see that it has the correct tension on the spring, and then finally put the valve seals and mounting and close it together, put it together. Alright, just a small update. Two things, no, one thing, checking the camshafts and then sending for resurface. Yeah, okay, thank you very much, have a nice day, moving on.